Okay, so let's be honest, guys. Cost of living here in Orlando has gone up quite a bit. It's very difficult to find a new construction home at a reasonable price living here in Orlando, Florida. A lot of folks find it very difficult to find a home that's new construction below $500,000. If you find it, you're usually stuck within a community where you're paying high HOAs for the amenities that you have within those communities. And not often do you find a home that's not resale below $500,000. But today we are visiting a nice community here in Orlando that's well established over the several years. But we are visiting a brand new construction home, which is under that $500,000 price point with a ton of finishes that you're going to enjoy. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the channel, Your Next New Home. I'm your host and your Florida real estate advisor, Jose Reyes. So today we are taking you through a tour of a beautiful new construction home here in the center of Orlando. 20 minutes away from the Orlando International Airport, about 30 to 40 minutes away from Walt Disney theme parks, and about 13 to 15 minutes away from downtown Orlando. Great location here, close to the 408, which is going to take you on either direction to the 417 or I-4, and it's going to take you quickly to where you need to get to. Now, this home is 2,160 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and one of those bedrooms can actually be used as an in-law suite. Tons of upgrades and luxurious finishes throughout the home, which we are definitely going to love. And it's definitely a stunner here within Central Florida. So stick around, guys. Watch this tour with me because you never know, a home like this one may just be your next new home. All right, guys, so stepping into this new construction home here in the center of East Orlando, you come into this nice foyer, which is a nice little hallway here. You're gonna notice this door that we just opened to this home. It's about 8 feet tall. Ceilings are gonna be 9.4 feet. You have this beautiful recessed lighting, which we're gonna see throughout the rest of the home as well. Now, coming in this way, you're gonna notice we are standing on hard surface flooring, which we're going to find throughout the rest of the house. The rooms are also hard surface flooring, which is great. A lot of folks are wanting to omit the carpet. So if you're someone who doesn't like carpet, this house may just be just for you. Nice little finishes here on the baseboards. You got those double wide baseboards to get that nice luxurious look. But coming through this way, we're going to turn on to our right. We're going to go in through this hallway, which is going to have 3 of the 4 bedrooms that we located in this house. Also the guest bathroom, but we are going to go into the first guest bedroom, which is here to my right. A nice size bedroom here. You're going to have enough space to put a full-size bed, definitely a queen-size bed and maybe a king-size bed, but it might be a little bit of snug fit if you put that king-size bed in here. But definitely can get a queen-size bed and still be comfortable. House is going to come with the ceiling fans, which is great. Not a lot of builders are including the ceiling fans, and even those high-name builders are not using the ceiling fans, but you do get it with the purchase of this home. You're going to have tempered glass windows. This one faces the front of the house, and as you can see, you have a lot of natural light coming in here, which is great. Love that Florida sunshine coming into our rooms, minimizing the need to use these light fixtures up above. Now, this room does have a closet. It's going to have doors that slide open. It's going to have that standard shelf, that wire rack that they give with these closets, so you can put your clothes up here and still have plenty of space down below to store your shoes and anything else you need to store for this room. Now, moving on from this bedroom, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the guest bathroom, which is located just across the hall here. Now, decent sized guest bathroom. You're going to have this beautiful sparkled quartz countertop, which is an amazing upgrade. A lot of builders are using quartz these days. It's the new granite, right? But some builders still use the Formica. But since this is a custom built home here, they use that quartz with this nice white vanity to kind of complement that color. You're gonna have these nice waterfall faucets here throughout the house as well. Now, we do have this beautiful combination tub and standing shower that has this nice tile all the way from the tub, all the way to the ceiling. Most builders put that tile up maybe 3/4 of the way. You're going to have that coverage of that wall all the way up to the ceiling as well. And again, that recessed lighting here gives a nice touch to this bathroom. Now, moving on from this restroom, we're going to go into room number 2. Another nice size bedroom, as you're going to see here. This one's a little bigger than the one that we saw previously. It's just a little longer now, but you still got plenty of space here to put your bed and be comfortable in here. Again, probably either a full-size bed or a queen-size bed would suffice here within this room. High ceilings throughout the whole room like we saw in the beginning of this tour. Ceiling fan included here with this room as well, and that nice tempered glass window facing the outside of this home. Now, this room does have its closet as well. It's going to be more or less the same closet we saw in the previous bedroom, but you do have that sliding door, and you're going to have that standard wire rack where you're going to be able to hang up all your clothes here and store everything for this bedroom as well. Now, let's go into room number 3. Now, I did say in the intro that this house does have a room that can be used as an in-law suite, and we're going to show you that room right now. So definitely a bigger room of the 3 that's located here on this side of the house. You do have that window facing the side of the home, letting that Florida sunshine in, but plenty of space here. You can definitely fit a king-size bed within this room and be very comfortable here and have plenty of space to have your furnishings on the side. Nice detail about this room is that it's going to have a walk-in closet. Now, another detail is that it's going to have these nice pocket doors. Pocket doors on this side of this room. Nice stand-in closet here, which kind of comes with a single kind of wire rack as well. But you still got plenty of space on either side. If you want to buy kind of a closet kit, you can put more shelving here, or if you just want to put other shelves or things to hang other items, you can do that as well and use this closet more efficiently. Now, since it is a possible in-law suite, that means it must have a bathroom, and it absolutely does. Again, this door has a pocket door, which is great because it kind of saves space. You don't have a door opening into the bathroom or opening out into the bedroom. So it definitely has a nice little space saver here. You're gonna have a single sink vanity like we saw in the guest bathroom out in the hallway. Again, it's gonna have that beautiful sparkle quartz countertop with that waterfall faucet as well. Plenty of space down below to put your detergents down there. But we have this wonderful, beautiful, luxurious, elegant style step-in shower. Now, you have that beautiful white towel that we saw in the other bathroom, but a nice detail is this offset color, which gives it a nice accent color, which is gonna be this matte black tile down below. Looks like it's non-slip tile, so you don't have to worry about falling within this shower, but it's very convenient, easy access to take a shower within this restroom. Plenty of space to put your soap and your shampoo here as well. Now, let's move on from this bedroom and let's go into the other side of the home. We're gonna go into the open space concept that the builder used for this house. We're gonna see the kitchen, dining room, and that family room. All right, guys, so leaving this hallway in the front of the house where we saw those 3 bedrooms and a bathroom, we're gonna go ahead to the rest of the home. We immediately walk in through that doorway here into what is the kitchen. Now, beautiful kitchen here, nice cozy kitchen. It's gonna come again with that beautiful white sparkle quartz countertop. Something that's a great detail and a lot of builders are using within their homes are these kitchen islands. These back in the day were considered an upgrade. This comes standard, already built with the home. Now, they do have this farm style, tub style sink here where you can kind of comfortably do your pots and pans after you do some cooking for your family or whatnot, but you got plenty of space here with no divider, which is great. A lot of folks are looking for that these days. And you have these nice little buttons here, which is gonna turn on that garbage disposal as well. Now, great faucet here. You're gonna be able to pull this down to get clean up everything here afterwards. But you have these nice little chandeliers giving a nice accent here to this area. Plenty of space for you to put bar stools up there for your children if you have children, or your guests when you're entertaining here within this kitchen. Plenty of space to put spreads out here like charcuterie boards because you're fancy, and other appetizers for your friends and family. Now, you do have plenty of counter space here as well, so you just don't have to rely on this counter space here, but you got plenty of storage as well. Nice detail are these handles that look nice and luxurious, and you have that soft close cabinetry throughout this whole kitchen, which is great. The builder's gonna give you already these appliances, stainless steel GE appliances. Dishwasher is gonna be on this side. You got the microwave just on top of this electrical stovetop. They won't be giving you the refrigerator, but that's an easy fix, which is great at the same time because then you can pick up the refrigerator that you want at a great deal. You know, we always have deals on appliances and many stores. You can definitely take advantage of that and choose one of your liking. Now, coming over this way, leaving this beautiful kitchen, we are coming into the rest of this open space concept. We are going to be coming into what is the dining room area. We have this beautiful chandelier that matches the lights that we saw here over that kitchen island. That's going to be on top of whatever table you choose to put under this chandelier. Definitely have space to put any shape you want here, whether it's a round table, rectangular table, square table, whatever fits the needs for the size of your family and what you plan to have as guests here to entertain and have dinner here in this area. Now, coming over this way, we're gonna have this large family room. Big family room here, plenty of space for you to decorate this and furnish this to your liking and take advantage of this great big family room. Tons of space. You can still hear our echo here because we have plenty of space here. Again, we have that hard surface floor throughout this area, luxurious details throughout this home, recessed lighting here as well with that knockdown ceiling. And you're gonna have some pre-wiring here for a fan or whatever light fixture you wanna put here in this area. Now they did pre-wire here. It looks like they have some plates here where you can kind of put your cable here in the side of this home and put your furnishings here, maybe put your TV up here as well, or vice versa. You can always kind of have that change based on what your needs are here in the space. Now, another great detail is that this house does come with a covered lanai. A lot of folks are looking for a covered lanai these days because, let's face it, we are in Florida. We like the weather out here. We definitely like to enjoy that, especially now we are in December, so we're definitely getting cool weather. So it's nice to have an area to sit out here in order to enjoy that weather here. But let's go ahead and go out there and take a look at what this backyard has to offer. All right, guys, stepping out here to this beautiful backyard. We are in this covered lanai. Plenty of space here for you to set this up with some furnishings, maybe a little barbecue on one corner or whatnot. Or you can go ahead and get this screened in to kind of protect you from mosquitoes or bugs out here in Florida. Recessed lighting here as well, and it does come pre-wired for a fan, which would be great to have a fan installed there during the summers here because you can circulate some cool air while you're sitting out here. Now, this house does sit on a 1/4 acre of land, so you got this huge backyard out here. No HOA, no CDD, so you could definitely put a pool back out here. They did include this fence to kind of cover up the backside here, and it already mulched this back here and put some plants here for you. So you can either keep that or kind of put whatever plants you want here in the backyard. But they already comes with the sod as well. You can definitely put whatever it is that you want to put out here if you want to build some structures with the proper permitting. You don't have to have the HOA tell you what you can or can't do with this yard. Now, black and white combination here with the color of this house, which is great. I know that's something that's trending these days. It looks nice and sleek, very clean and luxurious here with this home. Well, let's go back into the house. Let's go to the other side of the home and take a look at that primary bedroom. But first, we're gonna stop by the laundry and that garage. All right, guys, so coming back into this home, we are into this hallway. Gonna give access to that primary bedroom, but we'll see that in just a minute. But first, here to my left, we're gonna take a look at this closet. They do have a linen closet here with about 5 shelves where you can put in your towels or other linens that you need to put for this bedroom, or you can just use that for another storage closet for other things here within this home. Now, moving forward here, we are gonna step into that laundry room. Now, you do have the AC handler within this laundry room, so I'm gonna give you easy access to that AC handler so you can do its quarterly maintenance or its monthly maintenance. Also, in this laundry, you are gonna have the connection for the washer and dryer. Doesn't seem like they're gonna include that with the purchase of the home, but again, just like the refrigerator, you can always pick up a great deal at a different appliance store at a great price. Now, as you are gonna have that standard wire rack here to put your detergents up, but if you're someone who likes to have the little things put away, you can always kind of take that out and put maybe some cabinets up there to kind of put your detergents away. Now, coming into this garage, I know a lot of folks appreciate that we show these garages because we gotta know where we're gonna park our cars or where we can kind of establish our workstations or whatnot. High ceilings with this garage, so you definitely install some overhead storage here to kind of save some space around your vehicles. Access to the attic here as well within this garage. You also have your water heater, which a great detail is here's the elevated for you. So if there's any leaks, you're not gonna have any issues with that. Now they do provide a barrier here so you don't accidentally run into this with your vehicle at night, which is a great detail. And an awesome detail is that they do have a nice finish for this flooring. It looks like an epoxy finish, kind of with that sparkle finish that they use. We know that can be kind of pricey. When you put that on afterwards, when you purchase a home, they already include that for you. And they also finish these walls for you. So you're not looking at the block work. They finished it with drywall and put a lot of trim here in baseboards and frames around this area, which is amazing. Automatic garage door opener is going to be installed already for you, so you don't have to worry about doing that after purchasing a home just like this one. Well, let's go back inside the house. Let's go ahead and take a look at that master bedroom. All right, guys, coming back into the house, we're in this primary master bedroom. Beautiful bedroom here, nice size bedroom here. Definitely put a king size bed within this room and have plenty of space to roam around. If you prefer a queen size bed, definitely have plenty of space to do that as well. Now, you do have some windows, one facing the back of the house, one facing the side of the house, allowing a lot of natural light to come in here as well. Recessed lighting throughout this room as well. You got 4 lights up here, plus the pre-wiring for a fan or a light fixture of your choice. Now, a great detail and feature of this home is this large walk-in closet. Take a look at the size of this closet, guys. What can you do with this closet? They're already offering these 3 wire racks for you to put your clothes or whatnot, but you got plenty of space here. You have plenty of space to put more shelves here if you'd like, or kind of configure this completely so that you can kind of have a closet that better fits your needs so you can use it more efficiently. But plenty of space for either spouse to put their stuff here within this closet space. Now, a great detail also is going to be this primary bathroom. Now, this bathroom is going to be kind of similar to the other ones that we saw, but it has a 2-sink vanity in this bathroom on this beautiful white quartz countertop with the sparkles on it. Waterfall faucets here as well, which is great, a great choice. And you do have this luxurious walk-in shower like you had in that in-law suite across the ways in this home as well. That beautiful accent tile, which is that matte black accent tile with the white subway style tile, but it's going to be a little wider tiling here, but it's going to go all the way from the floor all the way to the ceiling as well. And you're also going to have that recessed lighting up here to kind of give you some light when you're taking a shower. And a great detail, which a lot of folks are using now, or at least a lot of builders are using, is installing a window within these bathrooms to let that natural light come here in the morning, so you can minimize the use of these lights up here. Well, that pretty much does it for the tour of this beautiful home, guys. Let's go back out to the common areas and talk about how much this house will cost you. All right, guys, so that pretty much does it for the tour of this beautiful new construction home here in the center of East Orlando, conveniently located close to the international airport. It's going to only take you a ride about 20 minutes to that area, about 15 minutes downtown, and 30 to 40 minutes to Disney, depending on how much traffic you're going to get. Easy access to 408, which is going to take you either way to I-4 or to 417. It's going to take you anywhere else that you need to go out from this area. Now, this home, the way you saw it, with everything that it includes, because everything you saw here is going to be included with the purchase of this home, is recently listed for $489,000. Now, they originally placed this house on the market at $500,000. So they recently kind of price dropped or made a price improvement, which only tells me that we can probably have some wiggle room to negotiate a little more off that price and get some contributions possibly for your closing costs. Now, again, just to recap, this home is about 2,160 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and you have that nice room over there that can be used as an in-law suite as well. And you're gonna have all these luxury finishes for this house. Now, for more information on this home, feel free to give me a call or text your next new home to the number you're going to see at the bottom of the screen. I also speak Spanish as well, so if you saw this video and feel that you may not be able to communicate with me because you only speak Spanish, se habla español. Also, I'm going to give you the information down below to my spouse and my team member, Karen Villegas. Together we work as the Reyes team, and we definitely enjoy working with our buyers and our sellers in order to help you make your dreams come true, one door at a time. Other than that, my friends, stay safe, take care of yourselves. I'll see you in the next video of the next home of what may be your next new home.